So this is your entrance. Nice high ceilings. It's a wide foyer. On the left is the formal study. And then the dining room. And this is towards the kitchen and garage. Okay, on the left is a hallway to 2 bedrooms. Straight ahead, we move to the kitchen and living. A little coat closet right here. Okay, we have bath 1. Secondary bedroom. Another secondary bedroom. Got another hall closet here. Plenty of storage in this house. Okay, we'll walk to the living and kitchen area here. Off to your left, you have the laundry room and a powder bath. Those floors. Okay, walking back to the living room, kitchen, and breakfast or dining. I like that you back to that green space. I think that's a really beautiful view, especially with those big picture windows. It's gorgeous. Lots of natural light in here. This kitchen is awesome. I love it. Big eat-in space here. So much counter space and bar space for eating at the breakfast bar there. Love that. They've got the hardware on the cabinets. This island here in the middle. Double ovens. The gas cooktop. It's a 5-burner. We've got the vent hood that vents outside. Okay. There's a butler's pantry here. That goes back into the dining room. Pantry space. Good size. That door leads to the garage. They do have, it's a 3-car tandem garage with epoxy floors. So you've got 2 doors and then tandem to the left for a 3rd car. Or workshop or whatever you need. Okay. So off of the kitchen and breakfast room, you've got another flex room. So this is being used as a playroom. I've seen it used as a media room, game room, pool table. Good size. Now to our left, we have the primary suite. You've got that nice green space for your view again here. I love that. All right, the primary bath suite here, we have split vanities with good counter space on both. The water closet, the shower, good size. They did the tile to the ceiling. We have his and her closets. With some built-ins there. The tub. They have the obscured glass there for privacy. And then here's the hers section. There's some built-ins on this side. And then On the opposite side, the mirror, is another bedroom. So it's a great floor plan. You've got split spaces, which is nice. And they have that same view. And you've got their own ensuite with a walk-in shower. Good size closet. The nice thing about a one-story is that you get these nice high ceilings throughout, since you don't have a second level on top cutting into your space. So it's nice and airy. And then we'll go out onto the patio. So you've got a covered space here. That is a gas stub, so if you wanted to do a built-in grill, you could attach there. That is the primary suite. Great size yard, very private back here.